We have an urgent update on the situation at the liquid and ointment plant in Vatva, Ahmedabad. Sources indicate Breaking news from Vatva, Ahmedabad. The liquid plant is now expanding its manufacturing capacity from 1,000 liters to 5,000 liters. The liquid and ointment plant is now operational with key equipment like the manufacturing vessel, sugar vessel and storage vessel in full production. We provide load cell and PLC solutions for the liquid and ointment plant, ensuring precision and efficiency. The liquid plant all contact parts SS360 steel, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. Breaking news from Vatva, Ahmedabad. We are now learning that the liquid and ointment plant utilizes S216 in Ponsex concept. From Vatva, Ahmedabad, an ointment plant with a production capacity ranging from 100 kg to 2000 kg is now available. The ointment plant now comes equipped with load cell and PLC provided, enhancing precision and automation in production. Breaking news from Vatva, Ahmedabad. The ointment plant now includes SS316 steel contact parts, enhancing production quality. We have breaking news from Vatva, Ahmedabad. The liquid and ointment plant has now completed its GMP certification on his significant. Breaking news from Vatva, Ahmedabad. The liquid and ointment plant will commence delivery in 4 to 8 weeks from the purchase order. Bring from Vatva, Ahmedabad. The liquid and ointment plant has announced new payment terms, 40% advance and balance against performer invoice. We have just received an update on the installation charges for the new liquid and ointment plant, which is set at 25,000. Breaking news from our liquid and ointment plant. And for installations abroad, charges are extra. We have an important update. GST 18% and transportation extra will apply to the liquid and ointment plant costs. Breaking news from our liquid and ointment plant. We now have service engineers available pan-India to assist with any technical requirement. We provide GA drawings before installation to ensure accuracy and efficiency in setting up the liquid and ointment plant. We provide pre-visit of our engineer to your plant. We have complete documents we provide regarding the latest updates on the liquid and ointment plant. This, we provide training to your operators at your plant. We provide FAT at our plant before dispatch. For any queries, please contact Chandrasekhar Yadav. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Breaking news from our factory, plot 1814, phase 3, GIDC Vatva, Ahmedabad. Stay tuned for more updates. Breaking news from our factory, plot 1814, phase 3, GIDC Vatva, Ahmedabad. Stay tuned for more updates.